Welcome to Sri Sai Guru channel. Today's class we will discuss about one more important questions from the class 10th standard and the lesson name is surface areas and volume. Dear student, this question is based on surface area and volume and one simple problem is given. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeters. So it is the length of the two hemispherical end is 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. See, this is the required diagram. See, this is nothing but a jamun. Everybody likes jamun. Even though it is my favorite sweet also. You know that. See here, the jamun is in the shape of the cylinder, but the end of this cylinder is hemisphere. Two hemisphere. So here this is the hemisphere, and the total length of the jamun is 5 centimeter. So from here to here, the length is 5 centimeter and the diameter of the hemisphere, the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to here diameter of the cylinder, which is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So the drawing diagram is very important here. So here one more fact is given. The volume of the sugar syrup is 30% of the volume of the jamun. So the volume of the sugar syrup is how much it is? It is 30% of the volume of the one jamun. So it has totally 45 jamuns. So we should calculate the volume of the sugar syrup that contains in a 45 jamuns. So dear students, so it is given here length of the jamun is 5 centimeter, diameter is 2.8 centimeter. If diameter is given, you should calculate radius. So 2.8 divided by 2 is 1.4 centimeter. So your diameter of the cylinder, this is cylinder, this part is part cylinder, and two hemispherical shape is its diameter is same, that is 2.8 centimeter. But volume of the cylinder, what is the formula? Okay, the volume of the cylinder is how much? Pi r square h. What is h here? H is the height of the cylinder. Is it given here? No, nothing. Height of the cylinder is not given, so we should calculate that. So I will calculate here the height. Height means here the length of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder. I will take the height of the cylinder as h1. That is equal to height of the jamun. Total length of the jamun. That is 5 centimeter minus, we have to subtract this part. Okay, this is nothing but the radius of the hemisphere. So here also the radius of the hemisphere. This is same 1.4. Both radius of the hemisphere is 1.4. We have to subtract. So this part we have to subtract. From the jamun, the length of the jamun, we have to subtract the height, the radius of the two hemispherical ends. Then we will get what this much part. This is the length of the cylinder. Understand? That is 2 into. So here this is 2 into 1.4. 1.4 is the radius. So that is equal to 5 minus. This is 2.8. 1.4 into 2 is 2.8. That gives how much here? 2.5 minus 2.8 is equal to. So here I calculated, that is 2.2 centimeter. That is 2.2 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. Okay, this is h1. Yes. So this part is what height of the cylinder I will mention here. So this is h1, the height of the cylinder. h2 I will take the height of the. So no need, no like that. So let us continue. I will rub these questions. Yes. Okay. Then volume of the, see here we should calculate volume of the a jamun. So its 30% is the volume of the sugar syrup. Now volume of the jamun. Volume of jamun is equal to the volume. V means volume, a short character. Volume of the cylinder plus 2 times of the volume of hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Yes. The volume of the cylinder is to the formula pi r square h. Pi r square h. That is H1 here. I have taken as H1. Then volume of the 2 into volume of the hemisphere. What is the formula? Hemisphere. A formula. The volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now it is pi r square. Then here I am taking pi r square common here. Pi r square common. H1. Okay. Yes, H1 plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 into r. So here pi r square is common remaining. Once you check, how to check? Yes, pi r square into h1 is pi r square h1. Take this one h1, no need here, take it as h only, the height of the cylinder. Plus pi r square into 4 by 3 r is, it is how much? Yes, correct. It is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Correct. Then let us continue. Now we have to substitute everything there. Final 22 divided by 7. Radius is how much? 1.4 centimeter. Yes, it is here. 1.4 into 1.4 into height of the cylinder is to calculate it. 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into how much? Into r into 1.4. Don't get confusion here. It is 2 by 3. Okay. Yes. Bracket close. Then we will calculate. So I will rub this part, I will rub this part, and all these things. Correct. Then 7 ones are 7.2. Then 22 into 0.2 is how much? 4.4. 22 into 2 is 44. Then 0.4 to write here into 1.4. Then 2.2 plus 1.4 into 4 is 15 4s are 56. So point I should write here. 4 into 1.4 is 5.6 divided by 3. Then what I do here, I will not multiply, I will convert these two decimal number into fraction. That is 44 divided by 10. How it is? How 10 came here? Because it has not one decimal place here. So the denominator is 10. Then here also 40 divided by 10 into, then here 22.2 means 2.2 I will keep like this way only, no need. Then 5.6 divided by 3 is how much? 1s are 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 remains, then it is 3 3s are. So it is not terminating. So we are getting one approximate value here. So this division is not terminating, further digits are there. So see, this is what approximate value came. Then what we 2 7 2 5s are, then 2 5s are 2 22s are. 22 divided by 25. 22 divided by 25 into. Now we have to add these two numbers. We are getting 3 point how much? 73. 3.73. Correct. It is 3.73. Then we have to simplify this calculation. Okay. I will rub this part. Continue. Yes. That is 22 divided by 25 into 3.73. What is the fraction for 3.73? That is 373 divided by 100. 373 divided by 100. So here calculation. 2 5s are and 0 0 here, 2 11s are. Then no further cancellation, so we have to multiply here. 273 into 11, how much? No, it is 373. 373. 11 3s are 33, 11 7 77, plus 3 is 80, 11 3s are 33, plus 8 is 41. Okay, 4103. 4103 divided by 25 50s are 25 5s are 125. Correct? Yes, it is 125 followed by 10. So you have to reduce this fraction. So we are getting finally after this division and all, do the division proper. That is, we are getting 25.39 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one jammun. What is this? We are not getting answer here. It is not an answer. This is the volume of the one jammun. The volume of the one jammun. So we have to calculate volume of the 45 jammun. So this is what approximate value. This is approximate value. So not the exact value here, because here we got somewhere this value what we got, it is not an exact value, it is an approximated value. So dear student, this is the volume of the one jammun. So volume of the 45 jammun. Yes. Then let us continue. Volume of one jammun is 25.39 centimeter. So therefore the volume of 45 jammun, that is equal to 25.39 into 45. So 25.39 into 45 approximately is equal to 1127.25. So you should check. This is the volume of the 45 jammuns. Then finally, let us calculate the volume of the sugar syrup contains in the jammun. Okay, fine. The volume of sugar syrup in 45 jammun. In 45 jammuns is equal to 30%. So it is given, no, the volume of the sugar syrup present in a jammun is 30% of the volume of the jammun. So 30% of the volume is 1127.25. That is 30 by 100 into 1127. Yes, here 1010 cancel. Yes, okay, final answer we should check here. Final answer. See here 1010 cancel. Now see this number 1127.2, when you divide by 10, point will be shift one place towards left hand side. Understand? When you divide, see here somewhere I write it. When you divide any decimal number, for example 1.1 divided by 10, divide by 10, point will be shift towards left hand side. So the answer is how much? 0.11. So this is basics in the mathematics. So here I am dividing this 1127.25 from 10. The point will shift towards left side. That is 3 into 112.725 approximate value. So on calculating, because here multiplication takes long time, so on calculating this one, that we are getting the value 338. Yes, it is 338.1 centimeter cube. Is given in terms of centimeter, no? So the one is in terms of centimeter cube. So final answer, required answer, final final answer. Therefore, the volume of the sugar syrup contained in 45 jamuns is how much? Approximately 338.1 centimeter. This is the required answer. So do practice. I told before this chapter is very important, and see, understanding problems and recapitulation of the formula, the proper formula is very important. Yes, take care yourself. Please do share, like, comment and subscribe Shish Sai channel. Thank you.